another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification bells on to get notified when we drop more videos. And we're going to get right into the video. Today's video, I told y'all in our last video, I'm going to be doing an unbox tour, like, y'all. A freaking unbox tour. It came from Amazon. I already opened it, but I didn't open the other parts, so yes, I get this from Amazon. Y'all, guess what it is? Guess what it is? Let's just open. Guess what it is? Comment down below and tell me what y'all think it is first. I'ma wait. Did y'all comment? Did y'all comment? We're gonna just take this out. We're just gonna throw that over there. We're gonna throw that over there. You don't need all that. We don't need all that. But y'all, guess what it is? It's a ring light. I got a ring light, y'all. I finally ordered a ring light. I get this off of Amazon. So yeah, I get this off Amazon. I'm about to open this up. Let's see what's going on under here. This what we're looking like. We got 3 different pieces in here. Let's see. You can open the tripod first. Tripod. We're gonna put this to the side. Y'all, like, I'm so excited. I'm so ready to use this thing, y'all. But dang, the paper come out first before the thing. Ooh, tripod. So this is the tripod. Nothing else in here. Throw that over there. I don't need that now. Yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but okay. We're gonna do it together. We're gonna try. I don't know what I'm doing, but yo, what the heck? Is I supposed to loosen this up? Oh yeah, I am supposed to loosen it up. Yo, what the heck? So do this thing go all the way down? Oh, it go down like, yeah, it go all the way down. Then you tighten it back up. Wait. Yeah, I did it right. So I guess you loosen. Ow. I don't know if you're supposed to loosen all these or what. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Am I supposed to loosen this too? Y'all, this is a first time thing. So bear with me. We gonna set it up together. We gonna look slow together. Y'all, what the heck? Is this the father to go? No. I knew that wasn't the father's. We were just gonna stop it right there. We're gonna put this down. We're gonna do it like this. I guess I gotta tighten this part back too. Let's see. And I guess I'll tighten this back up. Next thing, what else? We're gonna, I guess it's the ring light. Ooh, check us out. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to be on this thing all night probably. I think you're supposed to screw this on. Yep. Oh snap, oh snap. Listen, I ain't even gonna turn no more. I ain't gonna turn no more. Do this move? Like what? Like what? Cause I swear I am on broken. Oh wait. Oh, this go up. Alright. I promise you I don't want to broken it. Alright, I'm gonna just leave that right there. Now I guess this is a thing you're supposed to plug up, I guess. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I really don't. This long cord. Can I plug this in the wall? Yeah. I'm gonna just plug this in the wall. I'm gonna just use this. Plug this in the wall. light up already? Hold up. Oh. Hold up. Y'all. Y'all. Okay, we gonna test it out a little bit. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna test it out a little bit. What? Oh, this to dim it. I'm gonna go all the way down. Alright, that's the farthest to go. This is how it will look dim. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only got 8 thing. That's hold up. That's a new lightning? Hold up. Oh snap. I might like this. Hold on. Oh shoot. Go up and go down, period. I think it's another mode. Hold up. This the other one. Oh snap. Oh, this one too? So you got 3 or 4. Yeah, I think it's 3 different lights. So now, I like this. Let me change it back to the one I like. I like all of them, to be honest. Alright. Okay. So the next part, y'all. I think this is the phone holder part that can go right here, I think. I'm not too sure. And y'all, I got another unboxing tour. I mean, I don't know why I keep saying tour. Unboxing tour. Like, wait. But I got another unboxing video coming. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Do this go right here? Or I'm tripping? Oh, yeah. I think that go right there. Wait, do it go right here, y'all? Oh yeah, your phone do go right here. I think. Alright. Is there something else in the bag? I don't know what this for. I don't know. I guess more phone holders, I guess. Yeah, I really don't know what the heck I'm doing at this point. Because what is all these stuff? Where do I put this at? Matter of fact, we gonna get it right. Instructions. Let me just move this over so y'all can see. Instructions. Hold up. Let's see. Alright, yep, this the phone holder. Okay. Alright. So the phone holder. I promise y'all I ain't know what I'm doing. I'm trying. I'm really trying. I think this can go down here. Okay. And I'm unscrewing the right thing? Yo, what is going on? Building and stuff is not for me. For real. Oh. Got it. Alright, so I think this part go right here. Oh, wait. Oh. They don't want to act right for me. I don't know what's going on. Yo, what the heck? Bitch, what? Oh, snap. Alright, so let's see if this works. Yeah, it worked. Alright, so tighten this back up. Tighten this back up. Y'all, I love this ring light already. I'm about to have so much fun on Snap, like, and YouTube, like, and all my pictures. Like, y'all gotta get y'all one, for real. Alright, so I think this one. Alright, so I think this one go on right here. Oh, wait. Wait, wait. Yeah. Okay, so it can go like this. I'm gonna just tighten that up. I'm gonna just screw this on. Alright. Oh, snap, it's movable. Alright. That's all you had to tell me. Alright, boo. Alright. Got it now. Alright. So let's say play. Alright, y'all, I think I'm done. This is a little remote control. It's another piece too. I don't know what this is, but I think I'm done, to be honest. I already got 2 phones hooked up to this. I could put one right at the bottom. I could put one at the bottom and at the top. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Let me put y'all. I don't know what this for. Well, I know it's for this, but oh, it's a battery. It's a battery. It's a battery. It's a battery. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me is in there like it's the ring light for me. Oh, but I really like this. Now I'm about to switch it up while y'all looking at it or looking at me or whatever y'all doing. This is the other one. I like this one too. This is the other one. It gives me the natural vibes. It's giving me the natural vibe. Y'all, cause this is really cute. But y'all, this is my unbox video on a ring light. I did get this from Amazon. And yeah. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn the notification bells on to get notified when I drop more videos. And I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.